What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And this is just a quick unboxing, again, of the Aero Precision. We're doing an Aero Precision build on the channel, so got a lot of different Aero parts here. Just wanted to do an unboxing for them all for you guys to see. So this one we're going to be unboxing is a 5.56 bolt carrier group. And this is the Aero Precision Pro series. They have a couple different ones. This is the Pro model, and it comes in black. So with that, let's go ahead and get this open, see what comes with it. All right, I'm gonna open the top flap here, pull that out. Oh, I was almost disappointed, but then look, there's our stickers. Awesome, we'll add it to our collection here. One more. Oh, and we get another one, the Pro Series one. So cool, I add it to our collection as well. So with that, that's it for in the box. We'll set that one aside. And this is what we paid for here, our bolt carrier group. Set that plastic aside and take a look here. So nice. I like the finish on this. It's like a matte, almost gloss matte kind of mixed together finish. Looks awesome here, and you have the Aero A logo on that, so you'll see that when you have the dust cover open. And yeah, looks like it's quality. I'm excited to put this in the build that I'm doing on the channel here. So again, no surprises here. The only way to know if it's quality or not, though, is to get some rounds through it. But first, we got to put it in. So with that, that's it for this video here. And yeah, I'm excited to get this one in, and we'll see what get some test firing in and see how it runs. Word vomit. But anyway, if this was helpful here, like and subscribe to the channel. Go check out my other videos. Like I said, we're doing an Aero Precision build. And if you have questions, let me know in the comments or shoot me a message. Always happy to help. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon.